Guys, welcome back to my channel Machiato. Hope you all are doing well. Today's tutorial is all about mess free, no water marble swirl nail art. So let's get started. I'll be using this Plunge O3 nail polishes. I just wanted to try them out and a dotting tool to create those swirls. So now I'm going to paint all my nails with a base color. For the base color, I'm using this beautiful beige color. Okay, for the base color, I'm going to use the beige color. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to apply one coat and allow it to dry completely, and then I'm going to go on with the second coat, and I don't want that to dry. Okay, so apply the second coat and then apply dots with the other color that you want to create swirls with. So I created 3 dots because my nails are very short, and with the help of the dotting tool, I'm just going to create that swirl. So you can adjust it as per your choice. So I want some beige coming in through that blue. So I'm basically creating the same on all the other nails. Let me do a quick review on these nail colors by Plunge O3 Plus. They're very opaque, so with just 2 coats you're good to go, and they are odor free. There's no strong odor coming out from these nail colors. And for this nail, I'm going to switch the colors and create that swirl out there. So I got 2 colors, beige and blue, but there are many other colors available by this brand, so do give this a try. So once you're done, allow your nail art to completely dry before you apply a good top coat to seal in that nail art. And this is how your final nail art will look like once you're done. Very easy and simple yet elegant to create. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Machiato, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And guys, please watch my videos. They are very short videos, and please subscribe and show some love to my videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye, take care.